What challenged me the most is actually when I first come here in Cognizant Mobility. I came here right after graduation, so everything is fresh and new to me. And when I joined this company, I got to work in a project that's already currently running already, and it requires a lot of knowledge, and I need to self-teach a lot of stuff, and that was a really tough time in the beginning. But fortunately, I managed to get through it, and yeah, everything is working fine now. Oh, this is so easy. It is a Vietnamese dish. It's cơm tấm, because I come from Vietnam, and that's my absolute favorite meal of all time. So it's basically broken rice, a really special type of rice, with some grilled pork meat on there, with some Vietnamese seasoning, a little bit of Vietnamese pickles, and fish sauce also. And that is basically the best meal I ever had. And working here in Germany, I miss it like a lot. I miss it basically every day. So the first thing I must say I really like working at Cognizant Mobility is I get to do all the projects that I really like regarding the coding, because I love coding. I can stay coding for the whole day, no problem at all. And the second best thing is I love the colleagues here. I love the people here. Everybody is so friendly, and we can make jokes all day in the office. So we're just having fun all the time while working. So that is the best thing to me. Okay, so currently technology-wise, I would say mainly in C, C++, and some knowledge about embedded system and embedded operating system, for example, Linux. Yeah, and I would say soft skill-wise, you have to know how to make jokes. It's really important.